Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're diving into a comparison between Abode Smart Security and the Ring Alarm Pro in 2025, two of the most talked about DIY home security systems out there. If you're planning to protect your home without paying a fortune in professional setup fees, this one's for you. Let's kick it off with Abode Smart Security. Abode stands out for its flexibility and compatibility. It supports Z-Wave, Zigbee, and HomeKit, making it one of the most versatile systems if you want to integrate other smart home devices. You get motion sensors, entry sensors, cameras, and optional professional monitoring. Plus, it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, which is a major plus for Apple users. Now switching over to the Ring Alarm Pro, this system is a powerhouse with one huge advantage: the built-in Eero Wi-Fi 6 router. That means your alarm hub doubles as your home Wi-Fi, giving your security devices faster, more stable connections. It supports local processing with Ring Edge, meaning you can store videos locally with a Ring Protect Pro plan. Like Abode, it also offers 24/7 monitoring, cellular backup, and works great with Alexa, but not HomeKit. When it comes to hardware, both systems offer reliable gear: motion sensors, contact sensors, and indoor cameras. But Ring's keypad is slightly more refined, and the ability to create a mesh Wi-Fi network is a standout. For pricing, both are relatively affordable. Abode offers more flexible monitoring plans, including short-term professional monitoring with no long contracts. Ring Alarm Pro, on the other hand, gives you all-in-one value with security plus router plus local video storage if you're subscribed to their plan. So, which one should you choose? Choose Abode if you want flexibility, strong smart home integration, especially with Apple devices, and don't need a built-in router. Go for Ring Alarm Pro if you're already in the Ring or Alexa ecosystem and you want an all-in-one device that handles security and Wi-Fi in one hub. Both are excellent choices. What it comes down to is how connected your home already is and what ecosystem you want to grow into.